Hi guys, my name's Josh and today we're here in one of our Foster Fuels locations and we're going to talk a little bit about the proper use of your vent-free logs. Now, to get the most out of your vent-free logs, you want to make sure that you follow the owner's manual. If you don't follow the owner's manual, there's a couple things that you could run into. One of them would be an abnormal smell. You could have higher levels of carbon dioxide, or you could even see sooting. Now, the first step to utilizing a vent-free application actually happens before the installation. So the room is actually measured to determine what size vent-free application you'll need. So with the vent-free applications, the air around you is actually being used. So depending on how big the area is, determines how big the vent-free log set will need to be. Now, once installed by a professional, these logs should not be tampered with. The logs are designed in a very specific way that provides a safe and efficient burn. If the logs get moved or shifted, they can cover up the flames on the burner, they can change the actual airflow in that set, and it can also cause improper combustion. Now, the signs that your vent-free log set may be out of balance would be an abnormal smell, possible moisture, or you may even see signs of sooting. Now, sooting can happen for a couple of different reasons. One of them could be the logs have actually shifted and they're covering up the burner, which is causing an improper gas to air ratio, or it could just be lack of annual maintenance. Now, sooting can also happen when it interacts with certain things that are in the air, such as candles or scented plug-ins. And those are the things that could potentially cause an abnormal smell. We've talked a little bit about sooting, and here's a couple of things that you can do to prevent it. One would be don't tamper with your vent-free log set. Leave it to the professionals. Now, what you can do is you can clean the area. You can keep it free of dust, dirt, anything like that. But the best course of action would be to contact us and get one of our certified technicians to clean your vent-free log set. You could even sign up for our preferred service program, which would give you an annual cleaning and inspection. Now, to do this, you could give us a call, you could come by one of our many showrooms, or you could find us on fosterfuels.com.